We are looking at how to pronounce these name, the name of this governing body, unicameral legislature of Israel. Knesset, Knesset, yes, the K is not silent here, it's not like knee or knife, Knesset. We are looking at how to pronounce these name, the name of this governing body, unicameral legislature of Israel. Knesset, Knesset, yes, the K is not silent here, it's not like knee or knife, Knesset. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.